Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is smooth jazz guitar phrasing tricks, some cool stuff you need to know which makes phrasing really smooth, cool, and there you're gonna see. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So what are we talking about today? I select a track today which is really easy going so that you really can concentrate on stuff. Let me start from the beginning here. Here's the beginning. 1, 2. Stuff like that. So we're going to check out a few ideas which we're going to go deeper into, that you can become more creative on this smooth jazz guitar phrasing tricks. So let's get started. Okay guys, this track which I created is in F sharp minor, and it's a so-called modal track, so we only have one mode in this case. How do we find out the mode? You can hear it in the progression, but it's Dorian. So how do we first find out what is Dorian? You just play the F sharp minor pentatonics. This will be 1, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 7, 1, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 7, 1. Add two additional notes, the 2 and the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, or in any other position which you probably know. Let's also do this one here. F sharp 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1. It's really useful when you know the modes by heart as a summary of intervals, because then you can also play it on one string. It's really cool. You can play much nicer stuff when you do things like that, okay? So that would be the first thing. Now, playing a smooth jazz has often to do to have control over your timing. And you make these little gimmicks. You know, you just play a few notes, but you play them precise, okay? I mean, the stuff is really easy. In this case, I'm playing the F sharp Dorian scale here as octaves. We start here. I use the pinky's orientation, and as I already said, if you know the mode as a summary of intervals, I mean, you can just jump through and play it on any string, and you know, just you want to play octaves, then it's really no-brainer. Okay, so one thing you can do here now is when you play octaves, that makes you sound really smooth. But if you just play bug, 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 it doesn't really sound smooth. The little anticipations and stuff like that, they make the difference. And one which I want to show you now is this little rhythm figure. I'm going to play it on one note, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first note comes 1/16 note after the beat. So here we have the beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play the second of 4 16 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 1, 2. I'm gonna show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then you come in on the beat again. And then it's really simple. I mean, just the first one, and that one has to be really crisp, you know. This little figure is easy to play, but you have to really play precise, and then it's gonna sound cool. See? You can play just with a single note line or with octaves. And the next thing will be to select the cool notes, and if you want to really have the smooth jazz thing going on, start on the 2, in this case here, go to the 4, 2, flat 3, 4, back to 2. With this rhythm figure, you're gonna sound awesome. Also, this figure is the same rhythm figure, exactly the same one, but now we're playing the big Wes Montgomery chords. We're playing again octaves. It was this one here, but in this case we also play the middle note. And same rhythm figure, and really sounds cool and crispy. I'll show you. And also, you can also go down, but still I play the same rhythm figure. Just play the first note on the second 16 note, and then you're gonna be cool, okay? And you can carry the song like for maybe 30 seconds just with this one little rhythm figure. Now we need a second one. That will be this one here. This one. So what is this exactly? The run is simple. It's just the run. It was the blue. Just the Dorian scale with the blue note in 60 notes, but we started with a slide on any note. In this case, this one here. And we played the first and the last of the 60 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, da, ka, da, ka, it's this. And the first one is long. So, and this. Remember, this is the first of the 60 notes, this is the fourth. And then just go into the smooth run. Okay? Let's check this one out. Yeah, and the last one of the three is this one here. It's basically just 4 16 notes, but as a slide. That's really nice. And and then I just added the other figure, and then the other run. Okay, and you can do this anywhere. We can do this as octaves, like you just slide in, but pay attention that you play precise 16 notes and you're sliding correctly. Okay. You can also do the, or you can also make bigger jumps if you like, but with just you attack the first and the rest is sliding. So it's very nice. Also with the big chords. It really works. And you can do it in any positions. Also the run, you can do it, I don't know, you can also do it. You can do it on any position of the scale. I'm just going to show you. And somewhere you need to make a chromatic approach. When you do the run with a slide in, you can make a run from any position which you like, just down the scale, the mode, Dorian mode, but on certain position you make a chromatic approach, a chromatic, like as an example here, the scale is like this. Okay, now we make it here now. Also, you can also make it here. Also works like this. Or if you don't come back up, you just then it resolves perfectly on a chord, on a note. Or where you want. And it always resolves somewhere. So we slide in, and then somewhere you make a chromatic approach, and that's it. So let's put all together now. You see, you can use these three figures I showed you as a guiding line, and in between you just improvise what you want, and these points already give you quite an original smooth jazz approach to your guitar solo, okay? Yeah guys, I know there's a lot of more stuff possible in smooth jazz or jazz in general, but I always try to keep the tutorials in a way that everybody can get something from this, and just to make small baby steps to a new goal. And really, if you work with these three examples I showed you now, and you work them out in different positions, different little figures or whatever, and you pay attention that you're really precise when it comes to the rhythm, and the phrasing, then you're gonna sound much better than before. Even probably in between you play, I don't know, they have more space just to noodle around, and if you have those things going on, then it's gonna be really a gain in your playing. Good. One more to say. If you want to download this backing track, and I'm going to write down a few examples of licks with these figures, they're going to be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy for premium members. So join there as a premium member, but if you also just want to join the talk and get more information about stuff which is going on, you also can join with the free member account. That would be really cool to build up a small guitar community there. Yo, one more to say. That's basically all. Me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye and gonna play a last few notes for you guys.